Physical Education for Quarter 2, Week 3. Our MELCs for today undertakes physical activity and physical fitness assessments, conducts physical activity and physical fitness assessments of family school peers. Letter B prepares a physical activity program, and letter C executes the skills involved in sport, displays tolerance and acceptance of individuals with varying skills and abilities. Our topics for today is about physical fitness and physical activities. Health-related fitness activities play a vital role in the holistic development of a person. The choice of fitness activities usually depends on an individual's interest, age, and ability. Health-related activities ensures cardiovascular fitness and thus helps you in the process of aging. Health-related activities are provided for you to have a better grasp of lesson at hand. You will have various options in selecting the most appropriate exercises or activities that will help you and your family to achieve the level of physical wellness. Being physically fit and healthy can help you to get through with the stress that demands our life. It improves your self-esteem, develops your confidence, and clarifies your self-concept, which can only be realized as you get older. Exercise is a bodily activity that enhances or maintains physical fitness and overall health and wellness. It is performed for various reasons: to aid growth and improve strength, preventing aging, developing muscle and the cardiovascular system, honing athletic skills, weight loss or maintenance, improving health, and for enjoyment. Many individuals choose to exercise outdoors, where they can congregate in groups, socialize, and enhance well-being. Warm-up is to prepare the physical exertions and a performance by exercising or practicing gently beforehand. Workout refers more to a specific set of physical exercises which follow a precise pattern. Cool down is an easy exercise done after more intense activity to allow the body to transition to a resting or near resting state gradually. Physical activity program. It refers to a variety of moderate and vigorous physical activities. It gives data that can be utilized to make personal decisions about the type and amount of exercise to pursue. A physical activity program should always include the following kinds of training: flexibility training, resistance training, and cardiovascular training. Flexibility training, which includes stretching and flexibility exercises. Examples are hamstring stretch, extension exercise, supine hamstring stretch, leg raise exercise, and others. It can be executed for 15 minutes per session every day if possible. Resistance training includes weight training with machines, bands, balls, dumbbells, barbells, bottled water, and others. Execute for 30 to 45 minutes per session. It can be done 3 times a week for beginners. Cardiovascular training, which includes aerobic training, any exercises that gets your heart rate up. Examples for home-based activities includes jogging in place, stationary bike, or stair climbing. You can execute this kind of activity for 30 to 45 minutes. In making a physical activity program, the following must be considered: the FITT. F for frequency refers to the numbers of times a week you do the physical exercise. Intensity means how much energy is expended when exercising. Type refers to exercise that you will include in your program. Time refers to the numbers of seconds, minutes, hours, or how long you do the activity. This kind of activity, or the muscle strengthening activity, includes resistance training and lifting weights, causing the body's muscle to work or hold against an applied force or weight. These activities often involve relatively heavy objects such as weights, which are lifted multiple times to train various muscle groups. A muscle strengthening activity can also be done using elastic bands or body weight for resistance. Example is doing push-ups. It is essential to work all the major muscle groups of the body: the legs, hips, back, abdomen, chest, shoulders, and arms. The benefits of muscle strengthening activity include increased bone strength and muscle fitness. These are the example of muscle strengthening activities: toe lift, sit-ups, hop squat, and push-ups. Bone strengthening activities, sometimes called as weight-bearing or weight-loading activity, that produces a force on the bones that promotes bone growth and strength. This force is commonly produced by impact with the ground. Examples of bone strengthening activities are jumping jacks, running, brisk walking, and weightlifting exercises. Always remember the following in making physical activity plan. Number 1, make exercise a top priority. Number 2, set yourself short and long-term SMART goals. Number 3, do not weigh yourself every day as your weight fluctuates daily. Number 4, make some allowances for missed sessions and setbacks. And last one, turn everyday things into active time.